In this guide, I'll show you how to change your PlayStation Network name on PS5. So the first thing you want to do is select your profile picture in the top right corner when you're signed in. And from here, we're going to go to Profile. Now, once you're here, you want to scroll on over at the top, and we're going to be going to Edit Profile on the right. Then what you want to do is select Online ID. And from here, it's going to give you some very important information as to what's going to happen when you change your PSN name. So if you're okay with everything here, press I accept at the bottom, and then you want to press continue again. And then it's going to ask you to sign into your PlayStation Network account to verify it's you. Now, if this is your first time changing your online ID, it's going to be free. If not, it's going to cost $10. So all you have to do now is enter in the new online ID you want for your PlayStation Network name, or you can select one of the suggestions down below. So once you're happy with that, all you have to do is press confirm, and there may be one more confirmation screen to change it officially. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.